Hi there ladies and gentlemen, it's Tom here at Startin Skoda. I'm giving you a vehicle walk around today of this absolutely beautiful looking Rapid Spaceback 1 litre 110 PS manual SE technology, finished in quartz grey on a 68 plate. So it was registered in October 2018. It's only travelled just over 15,000 miles, so great mileage for its age. Shed loads of boot space for all you young families out there. Even comes with a spare wheel, which we all know is a rarity nowadays. Moving round to the rear of the car, loads and loads of space in there for families alike. Finished with the two-tone black and grey fabric upholstery with the ISO fixed points in the back. Move around to the front of the car. Again, two-tone finish on the front interior as well. 6-speed manual gearbox. When the video wants to focus. As we move up, we've got the digital built-in radio with the built-in sat-nav. Full Bluetooth integration for your mobile phone, as well as climate controlled air conditioning and USB connectivity just below there. As I said guys, 68 plate with only 15,000 miles on the clock. Again, what an absolute steal of the century for this mid-sized hatchback. If you want any more information on this particular car or any other cars that we've got in stock, again, don't hesitate to call me, Tom, on 01905 830 361, and I'll be more than happy to walk you around this particular car or any others that we have in stock, and also take you out on a test drive. Thanks again guys, see ya.